everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a really fantastic day. Today I am coming to you guys looking like even more of a mess somehow than I typically do. I am very sorry about that. I'm pretty convinced that I have a sinus infection. It feels like my eyes and my teeth are trying to like pop their way out of my face. So I am definitely not feeling my 100% best today, but I wanted to make sure I got this video up for you guys because today we're going to be doing not an unboxing, even though that's what the board says. This channel is such a disaster. But what I am going to be doing today is even more exciting, at least to me, even though unboxing is one of my favorite things to do. Today I'm going to be announcing the winner of this here goth-o-graphic Wet n Wild collection. I announced this giveaway on my channel a little while back and many of you actually entered and left comments and stuff. On that video there were 6,465 comments? There's no way that's right. I have to go look now. Wow, okay, there were actually over 6,000 comments. That's a lot of comments, you guys. So thank you guys so very much for entering into the giveaway and leaving comments. I loved reading your cute little animal stories. They made my day. So from all the lovely comments, I have picked one completely at random. I put the YouTube URL into a YouTube random comment picker website and then it generates all the comments and chooses one completely at random. I think that's the most fair way to go about it, and as long as that commenter has followed all the rules of the giveaway, then they are the winner of the giveaway. So as always with my giveaways, I will announce the winner, I'll get in contact with them, they will have a week to get back to me, and if I do not hear from them, I will go ahead and select another winner and contact that person, and so on and so forth, until finally somebody responds and wants the giveaway prize. So the winner of this giveaway will win the entire goth-o-graphic collection. All of this stuff is still wrapped up, sealed. I haven't used it, haven't swatched it, haven't done anything with it. I personally think it is a pretty cute collection, but I might have just a little bit like personal bias when it comes to makeup with shiny skulls on it. But I do really hope the winner enjoys the collection. I will send it out to them as soon as I hear from them, so I'm really excited. So without further ado, further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and announce the winner, and the winner of the goth-o-graphic collection is... Congratulations, Dallas. I'm looking forward to speaking with you. I really hope that you enjoy the collection. I know in your comment it says that you like the spooky stuff, and I do too, so I feel like you're really gonna like it. I just also want to say thank you to everybody else who entered into the giveaway and left comments and stuff. I really enjoyed reading like your funny animal stories and things. I thought they were super duper cute. I'm so very sorry if you did not win this giveaway, but there will be many other giveaways happening on this channel. Next up we're gonna do like a series of mystery box or bag giveaways, which I think is gonna be pretty fun on here. So stay tuned for those. Alrighty guys, I think that is everything. I'm gonna make this a pretty short video so I can edit it quickly and crawl back into my little bed. But again, just congratulations, Dallas, and hopefully I'll see all of you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so very much for watching. Please go ahead and subscribe if you would not mind. It would mean the absolute world to me. And I just hope you guys have an absolutely fantastic day, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye! Why has my nose betrayed me?